Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Hagley Park Road. We just drove through halfway tree and we are on Hagley Park Road heading towards the 3 miles overpass. Now as you can see, Hagley Park Road is a very nice road. This road was recently renovated by the government, and I think they did an excellent job in identifying that the road needed to be renovated and then putting in such a nice road. It's a dual carriageway, 4 lanes, has a concrete barricade in the middle, it has the lights, the white lines, it has good signage. This is how the roads in Jamaica should look, every main road. And the government these roads are expensive and they take time to build, but the government is doing an excellent job in renovating these roads. They've renovated Marcus Garvey drives, they're in the process of renovating Spanish Town Road, they renovated Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road. I must say, they are really trying and they're doing an excellent job. And I just want to pause here and note, when we say government, it is whichever government was in power at the time the roads were being built. We are not a political channel and we're not getting into politics. I honestly don't remember which government built this road because it took a very long time and these governments change quite often. Nonetheless, whichever government did it, did an excellent job. Maybe it was the both of them, but it was needed, and it has, as you can see, it's a very nice road. Okay, so you can imagine this is a very busy road. Now, the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree, and the busiest intersection in Jamaica is actually on this road. It's not the Halfway Tree intersection, it's the intersection of Hagley Park Road with Spanish Town Road. And so that just gives you an idea of how many people use this road a day. There are a lot of business places on this road. And it was literally very difficult to use this area while the road was being renovated. Very difficult. A lot of persons just avoided this area completely. Nonetheless, it's finished and it's very nicely done. And things were so bad when it was being renovated that a lot of these companies started to offer free delivery of their items. So that just gives you an example. But it was needed because the intersection now, that's the busiest intersection, an overpass was built, and it's actually the nicest overpass in Jamaica. It's a double overpass actually. And so one lane, one overpass is Hagley Park Road, and another lower overpass is Spanish Town Road. And then you have the original road on the ground level. So it was well needed, and both roads were renovated. Hagley Park Road was done first and Spanish Town Road is being done now. So on the left is Tire Warehouse, on the right is Qualcure. You have a facility down here called the Domes. That's it on the left. It's kind of like a warehouse. It's a commercial building. Yeah, the ministry, one of the ministries is at the front, but it's like a small warehouses. And you also have like a little storefront at the front. Very nice complex. Okay, on the right is the Betting, Gaming and Lottery Commission, and they regulate all the gaming or betting facilities in Jamaica, like the cash pot and those games. They are in charge of regulating it. And if you notice, the road has these concrete barricades. That's to prevent people from turning at the wrong spot and blocking up the road, because unfortunately we have, I was going to say unique drivers, but I think a better word is indisciplined drivers. So the concrete barricades help to maintain the law and order on the roads. Okay, at this intersection now, it's Walton Park Road. And straight ahead as we go through the stoplight, we're going to see the overpass. As you can see, these cars now on the right, you see the line of traffic. but the taxi and the car behind it have literally just cut in front because they don't want to wait in the line. Alright, so straight ahead now you can see the overpass, and we are on Hagley Park Road, so this is the Hagley Park Overpass, this one, which is the higher of the two. On the left, where you see all these cars parked, is actually where the buses are to stop. Not sure. Of course, these taxis just block the road, because I have no idea why people do that. They just stop in the road. Unbelievable. Alright, so we're going to go over the overpass now. Now, straight ahead, if we were to go left, while the bus is, okay, you can see now on the left, we'd stay on the ground level and go to the original intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. But I really hope that truck just didn't decide to stop in the middle of the road. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is the Hagley Park overpass. Very nicely done, and this is the only double overpass in Jamaica, and it was built at the ideal spot, which is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So straight ahead now is the Kingston Wharf, and that's the largest port in Jamaica. It's actually the Kingston Container Terminal, and that's the largest port in Jamaica. You can see all the cranes. Very nice facility, very modern facility too. And that's where the majority of the goods come into the country for Jamaica. So on the left now you have a lot of warehouses, manufacturing plants, because whether you're bringing in the goods or you're exporting the goods, the closer you are to the wharf, the better you are. Okay, so we're now going, if we had gone straight and go under the bridge, we'd go onto the Portmore Expressway, and that takes us into Portmore. But we turned left here and we're going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. You can see the containers piled up over at the wharf. Now on the left is the Kingston Aerodrome, and basically other than courier services and training pilots, it's really not, it's not an international airport. It isn't really being utilized as much more than an aerodrome, or because the domestic travel in Jamaica isn't that great. So I'm not really sure what the plans are for here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.